Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. And then let's scroll down and go to Special App Access. Here find Install Unknown Apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser, not from the Google Play Store as usually. So let's find it in the list, tap on it, and then tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. And of course you can do it for all other apps. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, and you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And now the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.